Hey everyone, we're back here with another video. Quick note, two things. One, if you hear something, I got a fan blowing behind me. It's hot in this restroom. And two, thank you everyone for 2,000 subscribers. That's totally awesome, never expected. So let's get to the point of this video. And again, thank you for that, 2,000. But as you can see in the title, today I'm going to try to help you out here. Say if you've been curious about beard vitamins but don't want to drop 30, 40, 50 bucks on these glorified multivitamins. This is just what it is. It's a regular multivitamin with a little extra stuff on they call it their blends, and a bunch of biotin, all in one multivitamin. That's ridiculous to me. So instead I'm going to try to show you guys how to make one for possibly under $10, maybe under $20, depending on which route you go with. So we're going to start here with just the cheap multivitamin. This is one you get from Walmart, Equate, Men's Daily. So it's just a basic multivitamin. It's got all the properties or vitamins most multivitamins have, right? And then bear with me on this one. This is vitamin D, but pretend it's biotin. It's pretty much what you're gonna need. So because I don't want to confuse you guys, I'm gonna turn it around. So instead of showing the D, it'll be a biotin. And what you do is just take one of these, just one. If you can see the nutrition facts or not. But anyways, just a generic multivitamin, right? And what those companies would do is they would load up a lot on biotins. For example, this generic everyday one-a-day multivitamin will have 75 mcgs, which is 250% of your daily value of a biotin. But what they do is add tons more. For example, add like 2, 3, 4, 5,000 mcgs of biotin. So instead of just buying that $40, $50 multivitamin, glorified multivitamin that's a beard vitamin that'll help your beard grow, which I don't think is, I don't believe a multivitamin is going to make your beard grow. For example, what they'll do in those pictures of the before and after, take a guy like me. Let's see, my beard is, well, okay, my beard's pretty full right now, but maybe you can see there's a little bit of gaps here and there. Or they'll take, for example, a guy who's been growing out his beard for like a month who has less hair than mine, but then they'll take a picture of him in about 3 or 4 months once his beard is longer, and once your hair gets longer, your beard hair gets longer, it covers more, obviously, and they'll just say, hey, it works. What a great supplement, right? But in reality, they just took a guy who has a normal patchy beard for the first few weeks, which is normal in a lot of guys, and if you let it grow out for 12 weeks, it'll look a lot fuller. So just take a multivitamin, add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mcgs of biotin, and that should honestly be around under $10 or $11, unless you want more of a higher quality multivitamin, and then you can just spend a little more on a higher quality one. Or if you wanted to go do another route, is just take a multivitamin and take one of those hair, skin, nail growth pills, which those probably cost a little more than a multivitamin, but it'll still run you overall cheaper than a full beard vitamin. So those have a lot of the same properties in their beard supplements. The beard companies that sell the beard vitamins, they have a lot of the same blends in the hair and nail vitamin as they do in the special blend that's in the beard vitamin. So that's just a quick tip I thought I'd help you guys with. It's probably not going to be exactly 100% the same, but it's worth a try. Again, I don't know, unless you're deficient in all these vitamins, it's probably not going to see much change. Maybe a little bit of healthier hair, but new growth, I very much doubt it. The only two ways that I've known that are proven to grow new growth is a beard transplant or minoxidil beard, which if you don't never seen my videos before, which is a product, my beard is pretty much grown from minoxidil. It's a whole different subject. Just look into it if you're interested in that. And no, I'm not sponsored. No one's paying me for that because minoxidil is a bunch of brands. The main brand is Rogaine, but I used generic brands. Anyways, that's a whole different subject, like I said. Hope this was helpful. If you guys want to try this, go for it. And I'll see you guys in the next one.